Friends, I know very well you know about how to create measurements, right? Like kgs, liter, meter, centimeter, numbers, right? So now in this video we are going to discuss about multi measurement. For example, there is a product called as rice. Rice we used to buy in bags, and the same rice we used to sell in bags. At the same time we used to sell in cages. So when a single product having multiple measurements, in that cases how to enable these alternate measurements in Tally application.
Yes friends, I'm just creating the same product in the name of rice. So I just go to inventory, stock items, and a display. There is no just there is a ceiling fans is there. I'm just going to create, for example, X brand rice. I'm just going to create some rice and comes under the measurement. Here you can observe that the measurement was not yet created. So I'm going to create measurement by pressing Alt plus C. Yes, the primary measurement of this rice is in bags, and when you are creating bags, you just enter at least, see, sometimes we will say we'll sell half of the bag, right? So half of that means 0.5. so you need a decimal places here. So here I'm going to enter the decimal places as 2, just accept the same. And here I just created the units as bags, and you may see that system is giving a chance only to select one measurement as bags, right? But system, when you press enter, system is taking directly end up, right? The system is not giving a chance to select any other measurement. So very simple, directly from here just press F12 and you just activate a feature called as use alternate units for stock items. Yes, and now down you may see that a new option was added, that is called as alternate units. Is the alternate unit is created? No. Then you press Alt plus C, and here I'm creating one more alternate measurement, that is kgs, and here I'm going to enter again decimal places is 2. Again system have a doubt where 25 kgs equals to 1 bag. So I just confirm the doubt, I just clear the doubt to the system. We are selecting, we already selected bag, then again we are selecting kg. So system have a doubt, okay, why what is the equality of these two measurements? That means where 25 kgs are equal to 1 bag and where 1 bag is equals to 25 kgs. Then you just press enter, and down only I'm going to show. If you enter directly 10, if you enter directly 10, the system is going to select by default as bags, right? That means what? 10 bags. If you want to enter 10 kgs, you enter 10 and type kgs. Then system is going to convert the 10 kgs into 0.40 bags. Sometimes sometimes customer want to buy I want to buy 12.5 kg. Then you enter what? You enter like this 12.5 kgs, right? Then if you once enter, system is going to take, okay, 0.550, that means 0.5, that means half of the bag you are selling to customer. So this is how it works. Even the same will be work even in purchase and the sales voucher as well. If you are selling 13 kgs to the customer, then you enter directly 13 kgs. That means system is going to take total 0.52 bags, and that means 13 kgs. And if you are selling directly 13 bags, you enter directly 13 and press only enter. You don't need to, because the bags is a primary measurement. So if you want to get the primary measurement, directly you enter the quantity measurement. And if you want to enter the kgs, then because it is an alternate measurement, so you need to type 13 kgs, then it is equals to 0.52 bags. So this is how to work with the alternate measurement. Even in the live sales invoice and the purchase invoice, you can do the same thing, right? Thank you.